I'm really liking my my workspace here. My new workspace is really easy to keep clean. So I'm gonna go over how to build the shelves in this video. I'm also in the middle of the video, I'm gonna give away the BMI tape. And it's just gonna be a random selection of a comment from the build video for this table. I'm also gonna start a new giveaway today, which is this really cool pencil. So this is the Pika Dry Long Life pencil. This thing is awesome. I've been using it for a lot of my projects. You'll see me use it in this video. It's actually a really cool pencil. I'll talk more about it later throughout the video, so keep your eye on that. But anyway, let's just get started with this thing and I'll show you how to build it. All right. This is a pretty straightforward build, so I'm not going to go over just exactly how I did everything. You just kind of watch and follow along. I know that I'm not supposed to be using gloves when I use my table saw. I do it because I don't like getting slivers, but you're right, I shouldn't be wearing gloves, so you can keep that comment. I already know. I made this out of plywood, but you know, you could make this out of I think like a 1x6 or a 1x4 would work actually really, really well. I used 3/4 inch plywood because that's what I had and that's what I wanted to use. Here I am using that pencil that I was talking about. I'm really digging this pencil, I gotta tell you. So it's got this really cool case that just clips into your pocket, and the other cool thing about it is that the case is also the sharpener. You just turn the case around and then use that as your sharpener. You know, how cool is that? And then just fits back in your pocket and you go on. I usually use either an HB pencil or a carpenter's pencil, and you know, you got to get your knife out and sharpen it with that, and it never really works quite as well as you'd like it to. This works great every single time. Okay, so I'm going to take the time now and I'm going to pick the winner of the contest. Okay, so I'm here at pickawinner.co and I'm gonna click this pick a winner button, and the winner is Will's World. All right, cool. So Will, I'm gonna get in touch with you and figure out how to get this thing to you. If anybody wants to make a comment on this video, you will be automatically entered into the draw for this Pika pencil. You know, there's been some stuff going on with YouTube with me lately that I'm not too keen on. YouTube sent me an email saying that they're going to be monetizing my videos, and I'm not going to be getting a cut of that. So they're going to be putting ads in my videos and keeping the money for themselves. You know, I've been priding myself in making ad-free content and sponsor-free content. You know, I'm happy to do that, and people have been kind enough to spend their own money on my plans and support me in that way. So for YouTube to do something like this, to just come up and say like, we don't care if you're monetized or not, we're putting ads on your content and we're keeping the money, it's making me feel like I should look for another place to go. But it's sort of their bat and their ball, so I think I might be stuck with YouTube. But you know, I just want you guys to know that those ads that you're seeing before my videos, if you are seeing them, I'm not getting a cut of that, and you know, I don't really want them to be there. I hate it, man. You know, you watch a video for a minute and a half and all of a sudden there's an ad, and you watch another 2 minutes and there's another ad. Like you watch a 15-minute video and it's almost nothing but ads. So for those of you who have taken the time and bought plans, I do have plans for this going up on the website very, very soon, and I appreciate everybody who's taken the time to buy them, and a special thank you to those who take a moment to take a picture of their finished project and send it to me. Bob's from California, and he bought the plans for the single twin bed, and built them for a friend of his. And then Miller 4x4, he bought the double plans, and this is his creation. I think that thing looks awesome. So if you want to head over to beddeskplans.com, take a look at the projects that I have. There's plans ranging from $1 to $20, lots of really cool things. All this stuff comes from my brain, and it's really cool when somebody sends me a picture of a finished project. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. And again, I really appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, you know, more than anything, you buying these plans actually helps me convince my wife that what I'm doing isn't a complete waste of time, so thanks for that.